3 simple steps to make $299 a day by copying and pasting free photos legally. Making $299 a day by legally copying and pasting free photos sounds like a scam. But trust me, it is not. Today, I will tell you how you can do that in 3 simple steps, which are easy to do even if you are a complete beginner. I also have a bonus tip, so keep watching until the end of the video. So let's get started. Most of the images we use in our work, we get from Google by simply searching them. But we can't use most of these images to make money because of copyright issues. Worry not. On the other hand, there is something called public domain. A public domain image is a photo, clip art, or vector whose copyright has expired or never existed in the first place. These images can be used by anyone for personal and commercial purposes. There are 3 ways that public domain images exist. Number 1. The photo is assigned to the public domain through a Creative Commons Zero license. Number 2. The picture can't be copyrighted. And number 3. The copyright for the image has expired. Now, I will tell you about 15 websites from which you can get public domain images. Number 1. Old Book Illustrations. Number 2. Magdaline. Number 3. Public Domain Pictures. Number 4. Flickr Commons. Number 5. Unsplash. Number 6. Free Stock Photos. Number 7. 1 Million Free Pictures. Number 8. Public Domain Vectors. Number 9. ISO Republic. Number 10. Realistic Shots. Number 11. Startup Stock Photos. Number 12. Public Domain Archive. Number 13. Designerspics.com. Number 14. Pixabay. And number 15. Every Stock Photo. The first step is to go on any of these websites and download any original image you like, with the resolution of 1220 by 796 pixels. There are plenty of images available on the websites that I have told you about, so pick whichever you like. So, for example, I take a photo of a flower painting. The second step is to go to a free editor online to enhance and edit the image. There are plenty of photo editors available online for free. Here I will tell you about 10 free photo editors available online. Number 1. Canva. Number 2. GIMP. Number 3. Photo. Number 4. Adobe Photoshop Express Editor. Number 5. Darktable. Number 6. Photo Post Pro. Number 7. InPixio. Number 8. Photoscape. Number 9. Pixlr. And number 10. BeFunky. Choose any of these free photo editors and upload your image there. Then apply filters and effects or adjust the photo's colors as you like. There are plenty of filters and effects available. It's always a good idea to tweak the image a little bit. Now, I will adjust the image's contrast and add a filter, and it's good to go. Before I continue, subscribe to the channel and learn more unique ways to earn money online. Like and share the video so other people can also benefit from it. Step number 3 is to sell this image. Don't worry, it is easy and straightforward. All you have to do is go to Etsy.com and go through things and find products that people are selling that are related to your images. Find your niche where you can sell your pictures on Etsy.com. As I got a flower painting, I will search in the canvas niche, and you can see how popular this niche is. People are making thousands of dollars in it. Next, you have to go to Printify.com and sign up there. Then upload your image. As I choose the canvas, I will select the canvas option here, the smallest size. And you can see how the flower painting looks on the canvas. You just have to upload the image and then save it. Printify.com will charge you $43 for printing and canvas and $21 for shipping. Now, as you can sell the canvas for double, triple, or quadruple the price. These charges shouldn't bug you. They will connect to your Etsy shop. You can also connect your Etsy store to Printify from your Printify account. But before doing so, make sure that you have completed all the steps to set up your Etsy store and have created at least one product on Etsy. You don't need to worry about that, as the product can be deleted later. Then make sure you have completed all the steps to set up your Etsy store. Click Manage My Stores on Printify, followed by adding a new store. Then click on Connect next to the Etsy logo. Then you'll be asked to log into your Etsy account. After that, you'll be asked to allow access. So click on Allow Access to proceed with the integration. Check the email address shown in this step to ensure that you are signed in to the same Etsy account that you want to connect to Printify. Now that you have linked your store, you can start publishing products to your Etsy store and manage all orders from within Printify. Printify will assign the shipping rates to products automatically. And voila! You can start earning. Now on to the bonus tip, which is how to get ranked on Etsy so you can sell more. To beef up your Etsy search engine optimization strategy and boost the presence of your listings, keep watching. I will tell you how the site's algorithm works. The factors come into play when it ranks listings, and the steps you should take to improve your position in search results. Etsy SEO is a process that helps sellers improve the visibility and listings of their store on Etsy and on different search engines. More buyers equal more chances to sell, leading to higher sales. But to sell, you need to be visible. This is where Etsy search engine optimization comes in handy. So, according to Etsy, their product ranking algorithm uses two factors when determining how to list products when a buyer is searching for an item on their platform. These two factors are: number 1, query matching, and number 2, ranking. The first thing that the Etsy algorithm does is that it matches the word that the user has typed in the search bar and runs it through the available listings. The algorithm looks for titles, tags, categories, and attributes. Suppose the product from your store is relevant to the search term that the buyers used. In that case, the algorithm will recognize it and use it to select products it offers to the buyer. After matching the available products with the term the buyer uses in the search bar, the Etsy algorithm then ranks these products according to certain factors, like relevance, quality, age of listing, and shipping. If you take care of these two things for your Etsy store, you are good to go to make money. So what are you waiting for? Follow these 3 easy steps I have explained and make $299 daily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Until next time.